I'd like to share with you right now, I'm going to ask you to just close your eyes for a minute and ask you to just look at what your body feels when I read a few lines to you. I stole these from the Dalai Lama and modified them a little bit, so full credit there. But this is a little bit more tuned for entrepreneurs. So you ready? Close your eyes. Just take a deep breath in. Let it out. Every day, think as you wake up. Today, I am fortunate to be alive. I have a precious human life. I am not going to waste it. I am going to use all of my energies to develop myself, to expand my heart out to others. I'm going to have kind thoughts towards others. I am not going to get angry or think badly about others. I am going to benefit others as much as I can. How does that feel? You can open your eyes. That's the recipe for being an entrepreneur. Just do that.